Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through how can you make a logo 3D in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, let's just give a logo. Just put a logo here. As you can see, the logo is not 3D, but you can give it a 3D look. In Premiere Pro, you cannot make it like full 3D, but you can give it a 3D look. Let's just click on this, double click on this, and let's just resize it as you like. Now let's just click on these effects and search for basic 3D and drop it in this clip. And after dropping it in this clip, as you can see, there is a swivel, tilt. These options are here. You can just move your playhead at the beginning and click on the swivel and tilt both. After that, you can just move it as you like. Just like if I move it to 1 second, you can give it a look like this, like this. And after that, you can also move your playhead, and you can also give it a this kind of look. Just move your playhead and give it a 3D look. Like this. Now just play it. Now to make it more smooth, let's just copy it. Let's just make this panel bigger. Copy all this by clicking your mouse. Right click and click on ease in and copy this too and make it ease out. Now let's check it again. You can make any kind of rotation or tilt as you like. You can make this bigger, like move your playhead here and give it a more rotation like this. It is up to you, the rotations. And at the last of the video, let's make this like it is back like this. Now let's just check it again. So guys, that's how you can make 3D logo in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.